Today on this segment of Power TV, we travel to Oxnard, California to check out the facility of Granatelli Motor Sports. One of the oldest names in the performance business, offers a variety of high-performance upgrade parts for late model vehicles.
Hi, I'm Joe Granatelli from Granatelli Motor Sports. Granatelli Motor Sports has been known for innovation for a long time. I come from a long line of racing Granatellis. I have the luxury of growing up with my uncle Andy Granatelli and his brothers, my father Joe and Vince. I was kind of born into Indy racing, so I really come from a strong engineering background, and our focus has always really been on mass airflow sensors. But although we define ourselves as a mass airflow sensor company, we really got our roots in the suspension. We started out building racing parts for Mustangs, predominantly the Fox chassis, as well as the F-bodies, which is like 1982 to 2002 Trans Ams and Camaros. That's really been our passion. And although we offer a lot of different products for a lot of different things, the reality of it is that's what we've always kept our true heart and soul. Mass airflow sensors and suspension. I'm standing in front of our Granatelli Mass Air Dyno. A lot of guys say, well, what is a Mass Air Dyno? What this dyno does is it allows us to meter the air as it goes through the mass airflow sensor and actually set and write curves. We work hand in hand with Hitachi and Delphi, and that allows us to actually work in concert with them to create and have them help us design mass airflow sensors. A lot of people don't realize Granatelli actually worked in concert with Delphi to design the mass airflow sensor, which is now OE spec on the new Z06. But cold air intakes have become so popular. If you put a cold air intake on your vehicle, really the passive least resistance is still the mass airflow sensor. So unless you have a bigger, better, higher flowing mass airflow sensor, a lot of times you don't get the true benefit from your cold air intake. So we have the ability of making the air intake work in concert with the mass airflow sensor, so you get a true full package on the air intake. Another key aspect of Granatelli has been our strong suspension prowess. We've tried to lead by innovation, not imitation. I'm standing in front of a 2005 Mustang GT. We've come out with about 38 unique products for this vehicle alone. We even have a patent pending right now on our unique caster camber plates. What makes our product so special is that we're the only system out there that you can actually adjust caster and camber on the vehicle without taking any product off. We also have the same product for all the 82 to 2002 F-bodies. And as you look at our product, you'll see it's very unique in the way it's structured and also how it fits. Another focus of Granatelli Motorsports is our tuning ability, and we basically do that in 3 different ways. We have the Fuego flash tool, we have the Big G flash tool, and we have the Big G inline module. The Fuego flash tool is focused mostly on Ford. It allows you to tune with a flash tool. You can control engine and transmission functions, and it'll do a Focus, Marauder, Explorer, Ranger, F-150, Mustang of course. It'll even do an F-450, so all the way up to the top, V10s and diesel. The same can be said for the Big G flash tool, except Big G focuses mostly on GM applications. Again, it'll do Camaro, Firebird, Corvette, trucks, whether it be a half-ton truck or even an SUV like a Tahoe or a Suburban. And then the last thing is the Big G inline module. What's unique about our inline module, it does focus predominantly on diesel application, but one part number does all.
That concludes our tour of Granatelli Motorsports. From a family bred in racing, the next generation of Granatellis carries on the legacy of high performance. So whether you've got a Ford or GM truck, a Corvette, or a Mustang, Granatelli Motorsports can put some sizzle in your ride.